Picture yourself cruising down I-30, the Arkansas River shimmering to your right as oak-lined boulevards give way to the pulsing heart of Little Rock. You can almost taste the barbecue smoke drifting from River Market's food stalls, hear the laughter echoing under the arches of the Big Dam Bridge, and feel the weight of history on the limestone steps of Central High School. In the next 20 minutes, I'm going to take you on an immersive deep dive into the 10 can't-miss attractions in and around Little Rock, plus 2 hidden gems you'll wish you discovered sooner. Buckle up, Destination Deca family, because Adam's your guide and we're about to uncover every nook, cranny, and secret story this vibrant capital city has to offer. Hey there, I'm Adam from Destination Deca, and if there's one thing I've learned in my travels, it's that the smallest capitals can hold the biggest surprises. Little Rock might only span 116 square miles, but from bubbling natural springs to soaring mountaintops, from Civil War lookouts to civil rights battlegrounds, this city and its surroundings are brimming with adventure, culture, and a few memorable detours. Whether you're planning a long weekend, a summer road trip, or just a spirited day trip from nearby hubs, get ready to take notes, because I'm packing this itinerary with history, travel hacks, fun facts, dining recommendations, and insider tips to make your Little Rock journey epic, efficient, and endlessly entertaining. Number 10. Museum of Discovery. Let's kick things off downtown at the Museum of Discovery, Arkansas's largest hands-on science center. You'll want to budget at least 2 to 3 hours here. Highlights include the T-Rex footprint cast found just outside Nashville, Arkansas, interactive robotic stations where you can program a minibot to navigate a maze, and a unique high-voltage Van de Graaff generator demonstration that makes your hair stand on end, literally. The museum opens at 10 a.m. daily, and adult admission is around $15, with discounts for students and seniors. For families, I recommend grabbing a fast-track ticket for $5 more to avoid the midday school group rush. Before you leave, swing by the Immersive Dome Theater for a 360-degree journey through the cosmos. It's the perfect primer for stargazing later on at Mount Magazine. Number 9. Mount Magazine State Park. 2 hours west of the city lies Arkansas's highest point, Mount Magazine. Sitting at 2,753 feet, it's the ideal escape for epic sunrises and stargazing thanks to minimal light pollution. The park has 13 miles of trails, but if you're short on time, hike the 1.5-mile Signal Hill Trail for panoramic views of the Petit River Valley. History buffs will appreciate that Confederate soldiers once used this ridge as a lookout during the Civil War. If you're visiting in May, don't miss the wild rose colonies that paint the slopes pink and white. Accommodations range from rustic cabins built by the CCC in the 1930s to modern lodge suites. Book at least 2 months in advance during fall foliage season. Hack a picnic with snacks from Mather Lodge Cafe. Try their blackberry cobbler topped with house-made vanilla bean ice cream. Number 8. Buffalo National River. Heading north, you'll find the Buffalo National River, America's first officially designated national river. Spanning 135 miles of unspoiled waterway, this is kayaking heaven. Outfitters in Ponca and Pruitt offer guided trips and shuttle services. Plan for a half-day float trip that includes floating past soaring limestone bluffs, hidden spring-fed waterfalls, and ancient rock shelters. The Best Valley Trail offers a moderate 3-mile hike to Hemden Hollow Falls, one of Arkansas's tallest waterfalls at 209 feet. Bring a waterproof pack stocked with lunch, SPF-rated sunscreen, and a river map from the visitor center. For wildlife watchers, dawn paddles can reveal sightings of bald eagles, otters, and even elk herds reintroduced to the region in the 1980s. Number 7. Crater of Diamond State Park. Next stop, Murfreesboro, home to the only diamond mine in the world open to the public. At Crater of Diamond State Park, you purchase a $10 screening shovel and a $14 sluice bucket, then join the search for treasure in the 37.5-acre plowed field. The park has produced nearly 75,000 diamonds since opening in 1972, including a 40.23-carat white diamond in 1924, though visitors can still find pebbles up to 2-carat size today. The best strategy? After a heavy rain, visit the wash plant for freshly unearthed stones, or if it's dry, turn over the dark black soil where diamonds contrast best. Number 6. Dave and Buster's Little Rock. Back in town, sometimes you just need a pit stop for nostalgia-driven arcade fun. Dave and Buster's on Chenal Parkway offers more than 200 games, from classic skee-ball and Pac-Man to cutting-edge VR racing simulators. If you dine before 6 p.m., you can pair a power card wristband with discounted appetizers. I'm partial to the Nashville hot chicken sliders. While you're there, look for the Legends walls celebrating local sports heroes like Alex Rodriguez and Brooks Robinson, who grew up in Arkansas. It's a one-stop shop for families on a rainy afternoon or adults looking to unwind with craft beers from Ozark Beer Company on tap. Number 5. Petit Jean State Park. Just a 45-minute drive west, Petit Jean State Park is Arkansas's oldest, established in 1923. Named after a legend of a French woman disguised as a cabin boy to follow her soldier sweetheart, this park is rife with lore. Hike the Cedar Falls Trail, a 1.5-mile loop that drops to the base of a 95-foot waterfall and back up through hemlock-lined ravines. On your way, don't miss Rock House, a natural amphitheater built by the Civilian Conservation Corps during the Depression. The park's cabins and campsites evoke 1930s charm. I recommend Cabin 1 for its cozy hearth and wraparound porch view. Pack sturdy shoes, insect repellent, and if you're here in March or November, watch for the colorful Parula warblers during migration. Number 4. Big Dam Bridge. Back in the city, lace up your walking shoes for the Big Dam Bridge, the longest pedestrian and bicycle bridge in North America built specifically for non-motorized traffic. Stretching 4,226 feet over the Arkansas River, it's part of a 30-mile river trail system that connects Murray Park on the west bank to War Memorial Park on the east. The bridge's name pays homage to the Murray Lock and Dam underneath. The best time to cross: sunrise for quiet solitude or after dark when LED lights create a rainbow glow beneath your feet. Nearby, rent a bike at Riverfront Bike Rentals and continue your ride to Riverfront Park for views of the Clinton Library's reflective pool. Number 3. Hot Springs National Park. A 90-minute drive south delivers you to Hot Springs National Park, America's oldest federal site. Known as the Spa City, downtown Hot Springs features 8 bathhouse fountains where 143 degrees Fahrenheit spring water flows continuously. Step into the Buckstaff Bathhouse, operating since 1912, for a wood-heated thermal bath and 20-minute massage. History fans can explore Fordyce Bathhouse, now the Park Visitor Center, with exhibits on the water cure craze of the late 19th century. Hiking enthusiasts should tackle the Hot Springs Mountain Tower Trail, a 2-mile round trip to an observation tower with 360-degree panoramas. If you time your visit for the historic baseball weekend in October, you can watch vintage teams like the Baton Rouge Rougarou play on lawn-laid diamond fields. Number 2. Arkansas State Capitol. Once you're back in Little Rock, don't skip the Arkansas State Capitol. Completed in 1915 at a cost of $2.2 million, it's constructed of Arkansas white marble and Kentucky granite. The rotunda's 12 stained glass windows depict the state's 6 congressional districts circa 1915. Guided tours run Monday through Friday at 9 a.m. and 1 p.m., and they'll take you through the legislative chambers, governor's suite, and the Hall of Governors, featuring life-size oil portraits of every Arkansas governor since 1836. The Capitol grounds bloom in late April with over 100 cherry trees gifted by Japan. Bring a camera and a notepad. This building is a photographer's dream and a must-see for civics aficionados. Number 1. Little Rock Central High School National Historic Site. At the top of our list is Little Rock Central High School, the crucible of school integration in 1957. The story of the Little Rock 9, 11-year-old Elizabeth Eckford walking alone through an angry mob to register for class under the escort of federal troops, is seared into civil rights history. Today, the Visitor Center offers oral history listening stations, original artifacts like student yearbooks and protest signs, and guided tours led by National Park Service rangers. You can still stand on the same concrete steps that once saw tear gas and picket signs. Plan for a 2-hour visit. The on-site museum bookstore carries powerful memoirs like Daisy Bates's The Long Shadow of Little Rock. Just across the street, visit the Mosaic Templars Cultural Center, which delves into African American achievements in the state from Reconstruction through modern times. Bonus Spot 1. William J. Clinton Presidential Library and Museum. Set against a dramatic skyline, the Clinton Library sits on the riverbank with a glass facade reflecting the water's surface. Inside, you'll find a replica Oval Office complete with original furnishings, interactive touchscreens outlining major international events of the 1990s, and an archive gallery showcasing President Clinton's handwritten correspondence. Don't miss the 13,000-square-foot Clinton Foundation Gallery, where you can track humanitarian efforts from Africa to Haiti. If you time it right, you can catch free lunchtime concerts on the plaza during spring and fall. Bonus Spot 2. River Market District. Finish your journey in the River Market District, a 3-block vibrant food and culture hub. By day, it hosts one of the nation's largest open-air farmers markets. By night, the bars and live music venues hum with blues, country, and jazz. Grab wood-fired pizza at Lost 40 Brewing, sample dumplings at The Fold, or indulge in classic Southern fare at Doe's Eat Place. Every first Friday, the district swells with street performers, muralists, and pop-up artisans for First Friday Fayetteville. Wander the giant mosaic fish sculptures along Rock Street, then warm up with a slice of pie from the Old Mill Sweet Shop. There you have it, 12 unforgettable stops that showcase the natural wonders, riveting history, and magnetic energy of Little Rock and beyond. If you loved tagging along, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so Destination Deca can keep fueling your wanderlust. Drop a comment below. Which of these spots surprised you the most, and where will you visit first? I'm Adam, thanks for watching, and I'll meet you on the next adventure.